What we did game to play to make me feel this way. What we
No.
Guys,
No.
what? What is up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. So it's your Jamaican friends here again once more. So on tonight's episode we are featuring my cousin.
So you know, so Steven, I react to our next Diana Ankudinova.
That's it, bro. That's
Damn.
it. That's it, guys.
Part
So we
two.
are gonna react to Diana Ankudinova Wicked Games, guys. Like,
Wicked Games, you know, so she not play this time.
guys, this is
She
gonna
mash
be,
up my brain last time.
guys,
Let me see where she got again.
mind-blowing situation, mind-blowing.
Yeah,
So
man.
without further ado, peeps, let's dive right.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, guys.
Official game.
Do the right.
Brr.
Peace.
Brother, I think I'm ready for the reaction, brother. I swear.
Guys, this is gonna be so intense.
Brother,
Like, real exquisite.
I'm even afraid for press play. For sure, yo.
Guys, this is Diana we're speaking of right now, guys.
Diana? Oh gosh, man. Wicked game?
Bro. Okay, guys, we are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Yeah.
Let's go into it now.
The world was on fire, and no one could save me but you. It's strange what is
No. The whisper there. Yo. She whisper, it come like they right them ears or something.
Bro, she's just too good for this. Bro.
No.
Bro, she's just too
Damn.
good, guys. Sometimes I don't even understand how the hell she does those type of things, bro. But
But like I was like we said from the first video, the voice control, brother.
Bro.
Yo, it does different. It different. You get what I'm saying in it?
bro, she's just
Damn.
like someone that can just take your breath away in an instant with just one
Brother,
note, guys.
she
Like,
make me nervous.
Guys.
She made me nervous. Damn. Let's finish getting into it.
will make foolish people too. And never dreamed that I need somebody like you. And never dreamed that I need somebody like you.
Class.
What we did game to play to make me feel this way. What we
No.
guys,
No.
what?
What?
Like, what did I just experience, guys?
What I go on, sir?
Guys,
What really I go on?
the note she pulled from here to here, guys, like,
No man, this is a different type of
bro,
a deep voice me I hear
bro,
now.
this female is not from this earth, bro. Like, there's no way we could find somebody on this earth who can
You
replace
know what
she.
happened is God just take her up in hand. See all of the singing. there.
Yeah,
Your own.
he just gave her everything. He just gave her everything.
You that. That's
Yeah.
your gift. Shot the world with the singing.
Yeah, bro, she's quite
That I
gifted.
go, that actually I go on I know. She a shot me right now, the voice. See it there? She judge prove her right you know. Get her the green. Just one judge
Bro, we
left.
love this, bro. We love this. We love this.
See what I go on.
Let's go.
thing to do to let me dream of you. What bigger thing to
brother. Yo.
Bro.
Yo, come like and breathe, nigga, lift up and float way.
Guys.
Yo, brother.
Bro, at this rate, I guess she's 15 years old, guys, and I mean, like, she's an experienced singer, like...
Whoa, you're just a 15?
She's 15, bro.
I never tell me that from first.
Bro, I thought you would notice, but she's 15.
But she's not 15, brother.
Yeah, bro, she's 15, bro.
You have the talent there.
Bro, she's very gifted, bro. Very, very gifted.
Moms. Well, I know. I'm not saying Bob's moms or whatever. Diana. Boy, your future right. By the time you reach 20, you know, you're rich, you know.
Yeah, bro, like, she's totally built for this, bro. Totally built for this.
Like, whoa.
Very good. Very good, bro. There's never a dull moment where I reacting to Diana and
If
I
she
don't
can't
feel
sing like that,
this
that means
sensation.
If she can't sing like that, that means her mother and father are talented then.
Well, we are not certain about them.
Probably.
Though.
Because she has so much gifts, she have a deep voice, she have a nice voice, baby. It's a combination of mother and father.
Yeah, that's true.
Bap.
That's true.
Let's finish it up.
Wasn't fine, and no one could save me but you.
Ooh,
Yeah, bro. That's
another shocking one.
good, bro. That's good, bro. I mean, like,
Damn.
she wanna give us that Indian type of instrument. Have you guys ever watched some Indian movie before and you get that instrumental tune? That's the type of feedback she's giving us on this music.
Right, to tell you the truth, another shaka.
Bro, this was good, bro.
Lightning and thunder for that. Brr.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. Well done, Diana. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? And guys, remember, we are Jamaicans, so we have a little bit of accent.
You get me?
Okay, guys, so if you do like our reactions, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, man, make sure you
Hit that post
subscribe.
notification bell for more. And if you guys really like my cousin's vibe, subscribe for more. Alright, guys, I'll see you next time.
Is it?